Hello, my name is Kate Whitson, and this is the first in a series of videos that will show you some of the things you can achieve with Whitson's decorative plaster. To create an embossed design, you will need Whitson's plaster, stencils, these here are from Stencil Library, spray mount, a rubber roller, which is useful but not essential, a Japan blade, which is a filling blade without a handle, and ideally a Japanese trowel, although a second Japan blade would do. Paint shapers are rubber tipped artist tools, and these are also useful. We are going to demonstrate on a kitchen door currently painted in acrylic eggshell. We are using a delicate surfaces masking tape to mask up areas we want to protect. The masking tape should be pressed firmly and neatly to your edges. Gibson is about to apply spray mount to the reverse of the stencil, which will fix it temporarily to the surface. Spray an even amount and then allow a few moments for the spray to set, otherwise you may have a residue that's left on the surface that you're working on. Position the stencil smooth onto the surface, and then you can use the rubber roller to ensure that there is full adhesion on the surface. This will help to avoid any of the plaster bleeding underneath the stencil. Using the Japan blade or similar tool, lift out some of the plaster and apply it to the trowel. Skim a layer of plaster over the stencil using only light pressure. You don't want to hear the blade scraping the surface of the stencil. Come back in and smooth any unsightly edges. Scrape off excess and pop it back into the container. Peel off the stencil to reveal your raised design. Gibson has used the plaster in white, however the plaster can be tinted using universal stainers. At this point you will want to clean up any excess, and this can be done with just a damp cloth. The plaster is water-based. Carefully remove your masking tape. Any plaster that has bled can be removed and tidied with a paint shaper. The plaster can be left to dry naturally or force dried to create a cracked effect. Seal up your plaster to stop it drying. Here you can see how the hairdryer has created a cracked effect. This is enhanced when we paint and antique the surface, and this will be shown in our next video. At this angle you can see the slight embossing on the surface. Whitson's decorative plaster is a great and easy way to add embellishment to any piece of furniture.